how it is compared with other parts of the world. We'll be joined live by Carsten Boyer from the Institute of Asian Studies at University of Copenhagen. Well, Mr. Boyer, thanks for joining us. We know China is probably facing a huge deficit when it comes to pension funds, and many people are saying maybe we should raise the retirement age. I think Europe has similar problems. So what do you think is the right solution?
I think in the first place, when we are comparing China to Europe or to European countries, we should remember the difference in population and the difference in size. In Denmark, which is a northern European country, we have a fairly stable welfare system and pension system. But we are only a population of 5 million, 1/3 of the population of Beijing. So it doesn't really work to compare Denmark, for instance, to China. And if we take EU, the European Union as such, the various schemes and policies in every country is quite different. And also the coordination between the countries are not very smooth. So what China is doing, actually trying to do now, is to coordinate on national level what I think not has been seen in any other country of the size of China. So this is a very big task.
It is a big task. And talking about coordination, there is another thing to coordinate on pension, on healthcare, because right now people cannot get insurance in places where they work. They have to go back to their hometown to enjoy the policy, and the government wants to change that. So from a European perspective, what do you suggest the central government to do about the health insurance in China?
I think in the first place to realize that this is a very big and difficult task, that a person working in Guangxi, Nanning will have to take his insurance to Harbin, Heilongjiang. That's a very big difference and different part of China. And this kind of problem or challenge we have already in Europe, like when workers from neighboring countries to Denmark, for instance, Poland are working in Denmark. We are not coordinated at a European level. So China has, in certain ways, to find its own way and new ways to solve this problem.
Yeah, it is indeed. The government needs to be innovative in thinking about a solution for that. Thank you very much, Mr. Boyer, for your take from Copenhagen. And